This is tutorial number 75, and it covers how to apply material to a part within Catia V5. To start off, open up the fishing reel step file, which is included on the DVD. Now, to apply material in Catia, all you have to do is click on this box here to apply a material. So let's click on it. And now you're given this library of materials. So you can go through any of these materials and you can apply any of them. So to apply one, all you have to do is click, drag, and throw it onto the part that you want it on. For this case, what we're going to do is we're going to click on metal, and we're going to click the brass. So let's click and drag it, and let's throw it right onto the entire fishing reel. You can do each part individually. I'm going to do the entire assembly. So let's click and throw it on fishing reel. Click OK. And now you can see that you have the brass material down there. Right now, though, you can't see any difference between the brass and no brass, and that's because you have to turn on the material to view it. So to view it, go to your views, and you have to choose shading with material. So click it, and now you can see the material applied to the entire part, and the entire part is now brass. Now, if we delete this, then it goes back to nothing. So let's put another material on there. So let's click Add Material. And let's go to Fabrics. And let's throw the brown leather. And let's put it on the handle. Click OK. And now you can see that we've added brown leather just to that one region. So this is an assembly, so you're able to do each individual part, or you can do the entire assembly. Now let's throw one on another part there. So let's click the material and let's look. Let's put the grass and let's drag it and let's put it on the spool assembly. Click OK. And now if you zoom in, you can see that we have a grass pattern on there. So you're able to do metals, fabrics, terrain, whatever's in this material library. If we open it up, whatever's in here, you're able to throw on there. So with the material, you have to throw it on there, and once you do it, you also have to change the view so that you can view the material on there. Now, the materials that you put on there, it's also going to change the properties of the part. So if you give it a heavy metal like brass, the part's going to become heavier than if it was just an aluminum alloy or something. So whatever part you put on there, it's also going to take those features and characteristics of that material on the part. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use and apply materials within Catia V5.